Hi, I'm Nat, and this is my backyard. So I thought I'd start off with a quick tour of our backyard. Of course, today, almost end of June 2020, it is overcast and a bit chilly outside. It's about 50 degrees, and of course it's sprinkling rain just a little bit, but it's great for the garden. Anyway, into the backyard. We have a little path we started. We're actually going to be doing some additional changes to our backyard, but you'll see in other episodes. Here's a bunch of vintage rakes. The shed I built for my wife a couple years ago. I'm using a lot, probably 50% reused salvage materials. There's an ugly corner we're still working on. Of course, one of my wife's favorite things is this rusty glider. You can hear the birds up in the trees. We have hummingbirds and quail and a lot of robins, a lot of other great birds. Make a lot of noise. It's beautiful, beautiful sound in our backyard. This is probably the hummingbird's favorite, the lavender my wife planted. One of our favorite spots to entertain. We have family over all the time and have fires. Usually when I have fires, it's about 90 degrees outside, and the sun doesn't go down now until about 9, so. These are old garden boxes. You'll see future episodes where we change these out. We're going to rearrange these this fall once the growing season's over. There's some new planter boxes we just did. And then this pergola is the first thing I actually ever built in the backyard. That's when we first moved here about a little more than 4 years ago. Our greenhouse started this spring and still a few things to finish on it. It's not airtight, so hopefully get that airtight and some heat and light in it for the winter. Would like to try and grow through the winter if possible. This was a tree house. You'll see this in future episodes as well. It was a tree house for my daughter. It looked terrible. It was ugly. We hated it. So now we've turned a little seating area in. Also gonna hang some swings we got from Costa Rica. So anyway, this is our backyard. Always going to be a work in progress. We have still have lots of big plans. We'll go through those maybe in a future episode. Next episode, we'll probably talk a little bit about ourselves and our backgrounds and everything. But just want to give you a quick tour of the backyard and all the beautiful flowers my wife has planted to make this a little oasis for us during this kind of terrible time we're in. Anyway, have a great day and enjoy your backyard.